Hello everyone, again welcome in art class. Today we will do best out of waste activity. So let's start it.
So students, we need a plastic bottle, a plate, scissors, permanent marker, whiteboard marker, paintbrush, cutter, scale, a punch machine, some glue and fabric colors. First of all, we will draw 4 dots on the bottle with the help of scale and permanent marker about 14 centimeter apart from the bottom of the bottle. Fine. Here comes our second dot, again with the same distance, 14 centimeter from the bottom. Then our third dot, like this, and then the fourth dot. After this, we will draw 2 triangles just right above the dot with the whiteboard marker. 2 small triangles like this. Here comes the first one. And then after drawing the first, we'll draw the second one. And after this, we will join the dots with a line like this. We'll draw a line around the bottle joining the dots. Then we will take a cutter and make a hole in the bottle like this, just to make a space through which our scissor goes in. I would request the parents to do it for you because you know cutters and scissors are so sharp. And then we will take a scissor and we'll cut the bottle right from the drawn lines. Like this. Just near to the drawn triangles, we will cut it down properly, and after this, we will get a shape like this. Then we will color the bottle. Here I have taken a blend of deep blue and white, and then with the help of a paintbrush, we will color the bottle. I have taken sky blue. You can use any color that you like. You know, red, pink, green. You can use any color. We shall color it properly, and after coloring it properly, you will get something like this, and we'll let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. After this, we will take permanent marker and we'll draw 2 triangles like this. You know, these triangles are looking like the ears of an animal, isn't it? Then coming towards the second one. After this, below the triangles, we will draw 2 eyes with permanent marker like this. Then second eye. We are showing the eyes as closed in joy. You can see. Then we will draw the eyelashes as well. Like this. You know, from the eyes and ears, this animal is looking like a cat, isn't it? Then we will draw a small nose right below the eyes in the center, and a small smile. It's definitely looking like a cat. A cute small cat. Then we will draw the tactile hairs or the whiskers of the cat on the both sides. After this, we will fill black fabric color in the ears like this with a very thin paint brush. And then your cat face is ready. We will let it dry, and meanwhile we'll take a white paper sheet and punch machine. We'll fold it twice or thrice like this, and then with this punch machine we will cut few small circles. You all know how to use this punch machine like this. We will cut few circles to decorate our cat. So as we are having bunch of small circles, as you can see, so we're gonna use it to decorate our cat. We'll take some glue. We'll drop some glue over here, and then we'll paste all the circles one by one like this. Again some glue.
So our flower pot is ready. I have used it as a flower pot, but you can use it as pencil stand as well. You can decorate it any way you like. So thanks a lot everyone.